Ah! Okay, so I just got home from school and this was sitting at my doorstep. So if you watched my wishlist plant video, I mentioned me getting this in the mail. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So let's get this boxed here. Let me think this is fine. This is fine. So got my trusty scissors. This plastic thing off. Ah, stuck to my nail. There we go. Okay. Open it nice and carefully. And if you're criticizing me for how I'm cutting my box, I like to live dangerously. Okay. Okay. Let me bring it in so then we can look at this together. Oh my goodness. Ooh. It is packaged very well. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me get this out of here. Oh my goodness. There was a heat pack in here. It does not feel warm anymore, so I'm kind of scared. Up here. Doing this one-handed is kind of difficult. Okay. Alright, I got it out. Okay. So I don't know which side is the top or bottom. So I'm kind of scared. I'm just going to cut an end and see what happens. Oh, it's like double insulated. Okay, I've never seen this elaborate packaging before. And there's a little note. It says, Ashley, thank you for your purchase. I hope you love the Peru, Sharon. So I got a Monstera Peru. It's a wishlist plant. Ah, I'm so excited. Okay, so it looks like this is the bottom. She packaged this very, very well. Yeah, she packaged this so well. Oh my god. And I paid $11 for shipping. And this is definitely like $11 worth of shipping material. So I'd say that was fair for me to pay. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. Oh, I can see a leaf poking out. Oh, I can see it coming out. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so excited. Oh no. Oh, yeah. Oh no. I knew it. I knew it. There's a lot of cold damage. A lot of shipping damage. I lost a leaf. So, yeah, I should have expected this. there was supposed to be a new leaf, but that got damaged too. If you can see it right there. My camera will focus. Right there. Boom. Oh, it's still focusing on me. There we go. Yeah, right there. That's supposed to be a new leaf, I think. But that's dead, so yeah. Definitely gonna have to rehab this plant because it did not do very well in the cold. So let's check the roots, see how the roots look. So the sphagnum is still really moist. Yeah. Trying to see if there's any rotting. I don't see any, but let me get more into the root ball. Trying to be very careful with this. So this is what the roots look like. So they seem pretty healthy. Yeah, they look pretty healthy. I see another growth point right here, but that's damaged too. Yeah. So I'm definitely going to have to rehab this plant and get it used to its surroundings. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to pot it up. I'm going to leave it in the moss, pot it up, and then put a large bag over it to keep the humidity. And I'll put it in my plant room. Well, kind of plant room. It's still Caleb's office, but I'm starting to get more plants in there. I have a grow light in there now, so which that unboxing video will be coming up here soon. But I'm going to put this away and hopefully it'll do better. And like this is a brand new leaf right here. Yeah, so this is why I got a plant that's of a bigger size, because I knew that if I were to get a like 2 leaf cutting, I wouldn't have anything. I would just have a stump, and I didn't want a stump. So I'm just kind of disappointed that with it being kind of cold, that it didn't arrive sooner than what I would liked it to be. But yeah, with the pandemic, I can't blame USPS for not being as fast with their shipping and their deliveries. I can't really blame them, considering like they're so short-staffed and things like that. So I'm not mad. I'm just like, I'm a little disappointed that, you know, I lost a leaf. Actually, well, that I lost like possibly 2, 3 leaves. Once another leaf grows, I'm probably gonna get rid of this one. But yeah, please let me know if you want updates on this. I will gladly give you updates if you would like them. So yeah, just let me know. So Thank you so much for watching. I know it was like kind of an impromptu video, but oh, well, it broke off. Okay. Be a bit more careful, I guess. I don't know. That kind of broke my heart a little bit. Okay. Well, thank you for watching. If you want more chaotic energy like this, subscribe. Yeah. Thanks for watching.